Question number 1. The scientific study of the brain and nervous system is known as. Correct answer is option A. Neurology. Question number 2. The Sangam literature belongs to which ancient Indian language? Correct answer is option C. Tamil. Question number 3. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in Science? Correct answer is option A. C.V. Raman. Question number 4. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate as per the 2011 census? Correct answer is option A. Kerala. Question number 5. Which Indian city is called the city of Nawabs? Correct answer is option C. Lucknow. Question number 6. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Correct answer is option C. Dada Saheb Phalke. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian woman to become the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option D. Meera Kumar. Question number 8. Which Indian city was the first to be declared a UNESCO World Heritage City? Correct answer is option C. Ahmedabad. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian woman to preside over the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option A. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution allows the President to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option A. Article 85. Question number 11. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? Correct answer is option C. Article 14 to 18. Question number 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the protection of the rights of minorities? Correct answer is option A. Article 29 to 30. Question number 13. Which Indian state is known as the Jewel of the East? Correct answer is option B. Manipur. Question number 14. Which Indian state is the largest producer of iron ore? Correct answer is option A. Odisha. Question number 15. In which year did the Indian Parliament adopt the national emblem? Correct answer is option A. 1950. Question number 16. The Union Public Service Commission is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option D. Part 14. Question number 17. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the duties of the citizen? Correct answer is option D. Part 4A. Question number 8. In the Constitution of India defines state under which article? Correct answer is option A. Article 12. Question number 19. The office of the Attorney General of India is provided under which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C. Article 76. Question number 20. Which field has the most Nobel Prize winners? Correct answer is option A. Physics. Question number 21. Which of the following gases is primarily responsible for the greenhouse effect? Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 22. Which element is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin in blood? Correct answer is option B, iron. Question number 23. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 24. The first war of Indian independence in 1857 is also called. Correct answer is option A, Sipo Mutiny. Question number 25. Which is the first state in India to be formed on the basis of language? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 26. What is the capital of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option B, Chennai. Question number 27. In which year did the first Indian National Congress session take place? Correct answer is option A, 1885. Question number 28. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the protection of life and personal liberty? Correct answer is option C, Article 21. Question number 29. The Statue of Unity is located in which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 30. Which of the following is the longest river in India? Correct answer is option D, Ganga. Question number 31. Which of the following is the longest national highway in India? Correct answer is option A, NH44. Question number 32. In which year did the Indian National Congress split into two factions, moderates and extremists? Correct answer is option B, in 1907. Question number 33. Which is the largest river in India by volume of water? Correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Question number 34. The Indian Independence Act of 1947 was passed by the Parliament of which country? Correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. Question number 35. Who was the first Indian in space? Correct answer is option C, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 36. Which state is the largest producer of milk in India? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 37. Which Indian state is known as the land of festivals? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland. Question number 38. What was the name of India's first indigenously developed supercomputer? Correct answer is option A, Param. Question number 39. Warsaw Pact was dissolved in? Correct answer is option C, 1991. Question number 40. Which company is the parent company of TikTok? Correct answer is option C, ByteDance.